What's going on YouTube? It's Jason again with JJ Drones, and we're going to do something a little bit different today. That's right, it's lunchtime and I'm hungry, and we're going to do a little bit of a cooking episode, and we're going to make buffalo chicken wings in the truck. Let's get in the video. Okay guys, so we've got some chicken chunks. These are from Breakbush, so thank you Breakbush for making amazing chicken. Not sponsored, by the way, but I've got these chicken chunks, and then I have, again, not sponsored, but Buffalo Wild Wings hot or medium buffalo sauce. And then we have some of these Great Value gallon bags. Now, I've never done this in the truck before. I've actually done it at home, and usually I put it into a bowl and mix it up around. But I wanted to try this with you guys and see how they turn out. Now, I've got the microwave in here. It does have an air frying option on it, but I can't find the little stand that you use to actually air fry what you want to air fry. So we're just going to put this in the microwave probably for around 7 or 8 minutes, because these are frozen solid. You can't do anything with that. So we're going to put it in the microwave for 7 or 8 minutes, and then we're going to come back, throw it in this bag, and see how it turns out. Now, while we're waiting for that chicken to cook in the microwave, well, it's actually not cooking because it's already pre-cooked. All you have to do is basically thaw out the chicken and heat it up. But before we get too far into that, I just want to put it out there that this Sunday, September 22nd at 7 p.m. Central Time, we're going to be doing a benefit auction for Dan, the droning veteran. He tragically lost his son on September 12th. And if you want to help by donating items to auction off, email me. It's not too late, jason@jjdrones360.com, and we'll put your name into the list of the people that are donating. Please come join the live stream, because any money that I make on that live stream is going to go to Dan and his family. And if you don't want to even, be in the auction part of it, just go ahead and donate to the links that we'll have there for that live stream, because every single penny is going to go to Dan and his family. So definitely make sure that you're there. Okay guys, so we have our chicken now, and we did it for around 8 minutes, like I said, and these feel pretty good. Now, if that wasn't enough time, you could always put it back in the microwave for longer. But we're gonna take it where it's at, and we're gonna open up this gallon bag, and now we're gonna put our chicken into the gallon bag. Like so. Okay, now we've got our chicken in here. Now all we're going to do is we're going to take some of this and we're going to pour it into the bag. Now, depending on how much sauce you want on your chicken, you're just going to want to add it however much you want. Now we're going to zip this up. And now, just like shake and bake when you're a kid, just kind of mix it up. Get all that good buffalo chicken sauce on your boneless wings here. Now you could use bone-in wings if you rather. I just like these because they're a lot easier to eat and they're a lot easier to prepare. And Breakbush makes amazing chicken. Now you don't have to use Breakbush chicken. This is what I had in my freezer at home. And you don't have to use Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. Now we're gonna check and see what this looks like. Oh yeah, yeah. So we're gonna put this out on the plate. And look at that, guys. You've got buffalo chicken right in your truck, and you didn't even have to go into the truck stop and try and trust theirs. But how is it gonna taste? Well, let's try it. Now these are kind of hot, so. Now, it would actually have worked better if I did find that air fryer plate. I'm sorry I didn't find it, because these are a little soft because you're microwaving it versus air frying it. So if you have an air fryer, it'll work a lot better if you like that crunchiness, because these are really soft. But you still get that great Breakbush flavor from the chicken, plus you get the great flavor from the buffalo sauce. And I always carry ranch with me. I like ranch with my buffalo chicken. So, and I use Great Value because it's great. It says so right on the bottle. So I'm going to put a little ranch in there. And then absolutely perfect. So there you have it, guys. It's an easy way to make buffalo chicken in the back of your truck when you're out there on the road. I'm out here at the Travel Stars of America in Ontario, California. And instead of going into the truck stop, I just used what I had available in the truck to make my own buffalo chicken. And you can too. It's just as simple as microwave, put it in the bag, put some of the buffalo sauce in the bag, shake it up, put it on a plate, and serve. It's as easy as that. So as I said earlier, make sure that you join me September 22nd at 7 p.m. Central Time to do our benefit auction for Dan and his family. Dan is the droning veteran on YouTube. You can check out his channel. Ted from Off the Hook Outdoors is going to be joining us. Brian from Cheesehead Media, he's going to be there. Jailbait and Tackle Outdoors, he's going to be there. And countless others are going to be in the chat trying to help out our fellow YouTuber, our friend, also a veteran who's going through a lot right now. So definitely make sure that you're there. But I appreciate you checking out this video. I don't do many cooking videos because I didn't really cook much, but I kind of got challenged by Gary from Jailbait and Tackle Outdoors to try and do a cooking video. So what's a better time to do it than when I'm out on the road in my truck and I have to have lunch anyway. If you appreciated this content, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I upload one of my cooking videos to YouTube. Hopefully there's not going to be too many because I don't really have that much cooking skills. So, I mean, this is the best that I can do. But I appreciate all of you for coming along for this ride with me, and we'll see you later on down the road. Bye, guys.